Hey y'all, welcome back
to Cooking with Pam and Tram.
Today we'll be making egg fried rice. It is so dang good that it will make your Uncle Roger proud. So y'all, let's get right to cooking.
First, crack 2 large eggs and an additional 4 egg yolk into a bowl and add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and give it a good whisk and set it aside. On high heat, coat the wok with cooking oil. Spread it around, and once it starts to smoke, saute the chopped white part of green onions and diced shallots. And then add in minced garlic for the aromatics and saute it until it starts smelling good, y'all. Next, add in the whisked egg and stir gently and cook it for 1 minute until fluffy. Scramble lightly, y'all. While the egg is still moist, add in your day-old cooked jasmine rice and stir fry for a couple minutes. If it's a little too dry, add a little more oil. Now, let's season our rice with 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1/2 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon of white pepper. And lastly, sprinkle in a generous amount of MSG to make Uncle Roger proud and mix well. MSG stands for make shit good. Finally, add in your chopped chili and green onions and drizzle a little sesame oil on the outer wok and give everything a final toss. And transfer to a plate and garnish with more green onions and serve it hot. And here's the final product, egg fried rice. We hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe and thank you for watching. Bye-bye!